Today, we're transforming this plain toddler room into a cute dream of a kid's room, and we're doing it for only 200 bucks.
Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are actually doing a bedroom makeover for a toddler. He is a 4-year-old boy going on 5. He has so much personality. He is my future stepchild. It's my boyfriend's son. So we are going to do a complete makeover of his bedroom. Right now the bedroom is just super sparse. I want to bring in some color and fun to the space. They're looking for a few things. One is to have the bedroom styled. Like right now there's no styling. It's just a nightstand, a bed, a lamp, a toy box. So we want to actually like design and style the space. So that's number one. Number two, they want to add some organization to the space. So right now he has one toy box, but he could definitely use some more storage, especially for his clothes. He could definitely use some more clothes storage. So adding storage for clothes, adding a little bit more storage for toys. I want to add just a little bit more lighting right now. We only have the overhead light and one other lamp. So I want to bring in some more lighting sources so that he can create a dim feel in the room when he goes to sleep. Let's see what else. This is going to be a makeover on a budget. This is almost like 90% or 80% thrifted items, and this whole project was done for under $200. So I want to show you guys what I got, how I was able to completely transform this space for 200 bucks. And the very last thing on the list is we want to cover up the walls. There's some scuffing on the walls. There's some peeling of paint that he's done. He's also colored on some of the walls. But to stay within budget, we can't get any paint. So we have to maybe try to wash those scuffs off. And then I got some peel and stick wallpaper for where he peeled off the paint. Hopefully that'll just give a whole new look to the space. So also right now he has this blow up bed that he's been sleeping on right here. I think it makes him feel like a big boy. He doesn't want to sleep in his toddler bed. So I think a big point of this makeover is to get him to want to stay in his room, to be in his room. And right now he, in the middle of the night, goes and tries to sleep in his dad's room, which yes, that's totally normal for toddlers, but we want to get him excited to be in his room. So that's the goal. And we want to get him excited to sleep in his actual bed and not the blow up bed. So let's do it.
You used to be the first that I would call. Now I don't got your number. I ain't got no room to hold on to you. Put a box out on the front and it's full of you. It's at your door. 'Cause I ain't got no room to hold on to you. I got myself a house on an avenue. I call it home.
Alright guys, so I've cleared out this entire side of the room. We have the bed on this side, but for now I'm just emptying this space because I'm going to start putting the contact paper on the wall here. So that'll be the first step. And then me and his dad, we're going to go and get the dresser, because we do need a dresser for the space. So I found one at Habitat Restore yesterday, but my car is smaller, so we're gonna use his car to go pick that up and just get a few other things. I wanted to show you guys this empty space, and now we can get started with the peel and stick. So when it comes to peel and stick wallpaper, a lot of people are hesitant because they feel a little intimidated, but it's actually really easy and you don't even need 2 people. Yes, my boyfriend's helping me out a bit, but as you will see, I go on to finish most of the wall alone. You just need to do a few things. One is make sure your walls are clean and smooth, and then you also want to make sure you dry them after cleaning them. If they're full with dust, the paper is not going to stick. If there's debris on the walls, it won't be smooth. So just make sure you do that. After putting up the first panel, it was starting to get late, so we decided to head out to the store before it closes to pick up the dresser. I found this dresser from Habitat Restore. It's only $15. It's very dirty, but it's nothing a little washing can't fix. We just got back from running a bunch of errands. We picked up the dresser, and now we can just finish with the wall.
I told you, this one is perfect. Like for him, they don't need much.
Yeah, it is a good size.
You know?
Yeah.
Especially for a kid.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? I spent so much money on this, right? Getting this. Talk about, it's so small for me. I feel like he can sleep. He can sleep here till he's 6 or 7.
No, I think by maybe 6.
6, yeah.
7
But even me, right? If I have no choice,
yeah,
I could make it work.
yeah.
Give me a pillow, I can make it work.
I've been navy blue, been somebody's fool, but
Alright guys, so I just finished the wall. The color looks so amazing, but I'm completely out. I thought that I had enough, and I ordered 2 rolls. I think they just gave me like an extra large roll because that's the only roll that's in there, but I'm out. So my boyfriend had a really good idea. We're gonna cut it in half and then just kind of do a half wall instead of a full wall. So I wanted you guys to know that that's what's happening. Looks pretty good. We did good, man.
Yes.
It looks straight.
Yep. Perfect, huh?
how wonderful you are, how wonderful you are. So good I don't know what to call you. I'm feeling bad for anyone who's ever lost you. Stuck on the feelings, head in the deep end. Spend all my weekends on you, beautiful. Guess
We decided to wrap up for the night and start fresh tomorrow. I'm really excited about tomorrow because we're going to be applying all the fun decor.
superstar, you're all I wanna see. Oh, I just can't believe how much you got my heart. You are a shooting star. Some things make sense to me, but I still can't.
So I forgot to set up my camera the first time I put up the curtain. So I actually got the first curtain rod from the at-home store. It was a cheaper version and it definitely fell right down. So I didn't get to show you guys. I went back to the store, to Lowe's actually, and got a more firm rod, and this one worked perfectly. I'm about to show you guys some of the thrifted things that I got. So I found this rug. Someone was actually giving it away for free, and I thought it would be perfect under the bed. It's fun and it's gonna add a little bit of movement and fun to the room. I'm really liking the photo up against the wall. I think it's really cute, and the sun is setting, so I'm probably gonna do majority of this voiceover. So I hope you guys don't mind that. I'm just gonna show you what I decided to do step by step. The room is coming along really well. I'm loving our half wall for the peel and stick. It turned out so good. The picture just kind of ties everything in. I do wish I would have put the photo just a little lower. It's a little high, but that's okay. Once we add everything else, it'll kind of make up for it. Okay, so now I've got the dresser done and I'm going to build a little tent on the side. It's gonna be so cute. I got it off of Amazon and I think it was only like 20 bucks or so. So hopefully it goes up nice. 20 bucks is kind of cheap, but I'm hoping that it's okay. So it's gonna go right here in the corner and it can be like a little cozy, calming area or reading nook or something where he can just relax and have his little cozy safe space. Kids need a space where they can go and retreat to, and so this will be perfect for him.
Request it, regardless of if it's for a friend or not, that she wanted to get the band back together. Very much, Miss Richard. The government may call its next witness.
Wow.
Okay, so I'm done building the tent, but it is very tall. And I'm thinking that it might be too big for this corner over here. So let me show you guys. You see the lamp here, and it would be this tall. I'm thinking if I put it in this corner, that maybe I should move the lamp that way, or I could put this in the corner by the bed. I just thought that the tent would look weird next to the bed, but let's just try it in both places. I just know it's gonna be a headache to move once it's up. I think I want to go with my instinct and just try it by the bed first. So I ultimately decided to put the TP in that corner, and then I just switched the lamp over to this side to create more like visual balance. The weight was throwing me off, but I'm satisfied finally. And so now I'm going to put the finishing touches on the room. Okay guys, the room is finally done, and the very last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these wallpaper samples that I ordered from Spoonflower. Now I ordered this because I was considering using them for the wall where I put the other wallpaper, but this area above the dresser is missing something, so I thought that it would be great to just use these off on the side. Oh wait, this one has a barcode on it. Might have to cut it, but I thought that it would be great to use these as art on the wall, so let's just give it a try, see what it looks like. Let's get a quick reminder of what the room looked like before. And here's the transformation. This room turned out so good. I'm so happy with the results, and when he walked into the room, he absolutely loved it. If you guys haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all, and I will see you next weekend. Bye.
Let's get it ready.
Alright.
You open it?
Maybe I should get over here. Okay, yeah, now open it.
Oh my God. What? Wow. Wow. I think I'm gonna have to switch my bed here. There's a little bed over there. This is my room now, right? No, this is my room. gonna have to switch beds. Wow. This is awesome.
Thank you, babe.